Geocaching is a very simple concept. You go somewhere and you find something. We use technology to go somewhere. Sometimes what we find is a logbook, beautiful architecture, or wonderful scenery. Sometimes we get a hike. Sometimes we find a friend.
Geocaching is a game of hide and seek for containers of trinkets. Hiding them, telling somebody kind of where it's at, and then going and finding it. Geocaching is that thing on? Just a fun game of finding good things out in the woods.
It's the worldwide treasure hunting game you can hold in the palm of your hand.
Geocaching is a worldwide scavenger hunt game played by millions across the globe where people hide containers or geocaches and other people go to find them.
Geocaching covers a wide aspect of activities and destinations and approaches and techniques.
Geocaching is finding containers and treasures and learning about things all over the world.
I just love geocaching because I get to play and makes me use my noggin a little bit.
I use geocaching as a tour guide. Wherever we travel, it takes us to amazing places. It's basically our worldwide tour guide.
It's just a fun game and a hobby of hide and seek.
We open up the app, we take a look and see what secret unknown location might somebody else who lives there bring us to that we might not have found otherwise.
And it's also a great way to make some new friends.
I have met people through geocaching that have turned into amazing lifelong friends.
It means connecting with new people, both domestically and internationally.
I have made a lot of good friends. I've met a lot of people from all over the world, really.
Geocaching is a game that fits my desires as an eternal child and at the same time shows me the world with my own eyes as an adult.
And really it's just a fun game that gets you outside.
It means learning things about my own self, my drive to succeed, the desire to explore and learn, and the hunger I get for more of the goodness that geocaching can bring.
Play it on your phone, take it with you wherever you go. Guaranteed you're going to find some kind of treasure.
To me, geocaching is very, very simple. Go somewhere and find something.
A fun game and getting some exercise. It's a good time. It is. It's a good time. It just tickles my biscuits. It does. It tickles my biscuits.